Fire Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northern McLean County until 12:30 p.m. At 11:50 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bloomington and moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hudson, Towanda, Cokesville, Lexington, Colfax, Chinook, Pleasant Hill, and Weston. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers.
It's getting so windy out there.
This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 156 and 187. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 123 and 138.
That's northern McLean. That's like right up the lines of Livingston.
Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I'm having barbecue chocolate.